bunnies. There are lots of bunnies. I don't even know how well you can see these bunnies, but it's pretty much my only goal to make sure that one doesn't get anywhere close to him. Not that, like, whatever. It's a battle that maybe I'm fighting against natural selection. Maybe these bunnies need to die, and that I need to let my dog just maul them one of these days. But I'll avoid it for now, I guess. Oh gosh. Don't go over there. She's like, I want to eat the bunnies. Come on, Allison. Come here. Come here. Come on. There you go. Are you stuck on something? Yeah, whatever. I don't know why I'm still having this camera on.